How to create stunning and eye-catchy thumbnails in CapCut. Do you find it difficult navigating or creating your thumbnails in Canva? Worry no more, because in this video, I'll show you how to create eye-catching thumbnails using CapCut Video Editor. In this tutorial, I'll be creating for both landscape and portrait thumbnails. The landscape thumbnails, which is mostly used for YouTube long-form video, and the portrait thumbnails is used for YouTube Short, Instagram, and Facebook Reels. Whether you are editing on your phone or tablet, this tutorial guide will easily help you to create eye-catchy thumbnails using CapCut. And before I proceed, please take a second to hit on the like button, subscribe to this video, and also leave a comment on that topic you want me to create video on. Here's how you create your thumbnails in CapCut. Now let's start with the landscape thumbnail. Once you are done editing your video in CapCut, scroll to this place where you see cover. Option 1. Select from video. You use part of the video clip by scrolling to any part of the video you want, just like this. Then tap on Edit Cover. Now tap on Template. It will bring you to this place where you see Recommended, Vlog, Travel, Review, and more. Select any of the template that fits your content. Go through all the templates and select any of the template that fits your content. Edit the text and impute yours by tapping here. After imputing your text, adjust and place your text wherever you want on your thumbnail. You can change the text font, color, and also add sticker to the thumbnail. Just play around with it until you get your desired results. You can also increase and decrease the image size. Once you are done editing your thumbnail, tap on Done, then go ahead to screenshot your thumbnail. Go to your album or to your media and pick the thumbnail you just created. Tap on Edit, then Crop. Crop it to the size of a landscape thumbnail. Once you are done, tap on Save, and that is your thumbnail using part of your video clip just like this. This is the results for option 1. Then option 2, select from your album. It can be your photo or any plain background you intend to use for this thumbnail. Tap on Edit Cover. You can pick a template or you add a photo to the plain background you just uploaded. For this video, I'll select a template for the plain background, then add my photo. After importing your photo, impute your text as we did in the previous one. Do all the necessary adjustments and place your text wherever you want. You can also increase or decrease your photo as needed. Once you are done creating the thumbnail in CapCut, tap on Done, then screenshot and go to your album. Edit it by cropping it to landscape. There you have it. The same process as the first one. And this is how you create your landscape thumbnail in CapCut, which you can use for your long-form videos on YouTube. For the portrait thumbnails, I've already made a video on how you can create your portrait thumbnail. You know, once your video is portrait, automatically your thumbnail will be portrait. So I will attach the video to this where you will watch and learn how to create your portrait thumbnail. It's the same procedures, the same. The only difference is that it is portrait, which is meant for YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok videos. Uploading your short videos with thumbnail to YouTube and Instagram is quite different. I've made a tutorial video on how you can upload your short videos to YouTube with thumbnails. If you go through my channel, you see most of my short videos have thumbnail. I will leave the link to that video in this description, where you will watch and learn how to upload your YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels with thumbnails. I hope you found this video useful and educative. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers and it's only your support that will get me there. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question or any topic you want me to create videos on. See you in my next video and bye for now.